All right, we got another lock here that you guys found on eBay and sent me a link to ask me to check it out. And I've actually suffered some injury from this guy. I mean, I know my hands are always beat up because we sponsor semi-feral cats. And so my hands are always scratched up. But this one was not from a cat. This is actually from the bottom of this Dan lock. This edge all along here is super sharp. I don't even know if you can see the burrs on it. So they didn't take the burrs off of the bottom, and they didn't take them off of those edges on the top. They chamfered all the rest of it, but they missed some pretty critical edges. So be very careful if you get one of these Dan locks. It did come with a box. I didn't expect it, and the box doesn't say where this was made, but when I see the word padlock hyphenated like that, I got a pretty good idea. It doesn't say it on the lock either. It is a number 400. We do have some keys here, and that is pretty impressive, I've got to say. You got some nice low cut ones there to make it difficult to get access to these and these high ones here. So that's a big plus. It's a wide open keyway. That is not a plus. And again, be very careful. It's like razor sharp, for real. Probably going to see some blood before this is all over. It's got me paranoid now. Get in there. See, he doesn't even want to go in. It's up here. There we go. Hang it. Okay, it does work. Super strong spring, both here and the shackle ejection. So pretty strong spring. Let's get that out of there. Let's lock it. Let's try not to get cut, Bill. All right, I'm going to use top of the keyway. I want to use the bottom of that keyway to work in. That'll be my workspace. So let's see if we got a... Let's see if that red one will fit. That's not the thickest, but next to thickest, and it does. All right, I'm going to hold it, and just like that. Let me grab a pick. Because I've got a good amount of room down there, I am going to grab a medium hook in 25 thousandths. If that doesn't work, we'll grab a 15, but I think that will allow me to get up in there. Let's find it real quick. Yeah, I can reach those pins. All right, so apply tension, and let's see what we got here. See what old Dan's got to offer besides thumb cuts. I might need a 15 thousandth. Oh, there was pin 2. Kind of an awkward angle here. Oh, lack of coordination. So I got all kinds of excuses going here. Probably I'm a little bit faint from the loss of blood too. Okay, there was pin 2 again. There's pin 4. I picked 2 pins, guys, and got an open. So regardless of how this looks, it wasn't that difficult, other than, I guess, one of the security measures is that instead of a barbed wire fence or guys with knives, you just leave the edges of the lock super sharp, and you can get DNA samples from the criminal cuts himself, and you can track him down that way. Anyway, there you go, the Dan lock. Appreciate you guys bird dogging this for me. That's the way I find a lot of cool locks. Appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal.